Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Collect.js tutorial. My name is Daniel Eckerman and I am the author of Collect.js. Now today we're taking a look at the macro method. Although I personally almost never use this, the macro method is a fantastic method that lets anyone extend Collect.js within their project. Now let's jump over to VS Code and try this out. Okay, so here we are in VS Code and I'm thinking about defining a constant here with people. Let's just do that, and we're going to do Jane, Joe, and Jake, just like that. So what we want to do is to transform these strings to uppercase. And to do that, we want our own macro called uppercase. So we'll define our macro here, collect, and the macro. And the first argument here is the name of our method, so we're going to call it uppercase. And the second argument is the function, and here you have to be aware that you cannot use an shorthand function or a fat arrow function. That has to do with scopes in JavaScript and how you can access the this inside the collection from this function. We can get into that in another video, but for now, let's just define our function. So we are defining our function here. And now we have access to this. And the this in this context is the collection. And now you can run every method available in Collect.js on this. So we are going to map through each and every person in our people array. So we want to do map like so, and we'll receive a name. And we'll take the name and we'll call to uppercase. Now we just have to return this. And I got an extra parenthesis here, so let's get rid of that. And now we can try to collect our people, and let's just try to dump this out like this. And we'll run node index.js, and we get our collection here. So we can see that we have Jane, Joe, and Jake. Now, if we try to pipe it through our uppercase method, uppercase, just like that, and try that out. So our collection have been piped through our uppercase method, and we've mapped each and every item to uppercase. So that's an example of how the macro method work and how you can extend Collect.js to work exactly how you want. Now that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about Collect.js, please check out the documentation at collect.js.org. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll follow along in my Collect.js video series. Now, if you want me to do more of these videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm @Eckerman. Until then, take care, and I'll see you later.